Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new tool deals to share with you. We have some Amazon deals, have some Acme tool deals. Everything's going to be linked down below. We're going to jump right on into it. First up, on Amazon, we have the 200-piece car fuse assortment kit. You're getting the micros, the minis, and the standards with a little circuit tester by Lifarsculp. Comes with the handy-dandy case, has a little diagram telling you what you're getting, all the different amps, and the quantities of all of those. So normally it's $15.99, but we have a 50% promo code. It's only going to be $7.99. Of course, free shipping for the Prime members. Supposed to go through the end of March. Look, I don't know if it's going to actually last that long. I kind of think that it won't, but you click right there. It'll automatically copy the promo code so you can apply it to your account. But nice, 200, getting a good little assortment there. Perfect to keep in the glove box, center console, wherever you need it, just in case you pop that fuse. And you can be back on your way without too much inconvenience. Over at Acme Tools, one of my favorite DeWALT tools is on sale. I really love this one. The DeWALT cordless pruner bare tool here for only $99. You can see everyone else has it for $129 or $139. So a nice little savings on. If you've never used this tool, it is amazing. You will love it. One, it does not suck down batteries. It lasts a long, long time. So I love to use the 1.7 OG power stack on it because it's super small and lightweight. And you could be doing like a lot of reaching out and stuff with this thing if you're pruning up some trees or bushes or whatever. I also love it for the fire pit, cutting up branches so they're a little bit smaller and actually fit in there. Drag a big ass branch over there and just start snipping it up and throwing the smaller pieces in there. You will actually be shocked at how much strength this has and what it can cut. It's also really good removing like bushes or something with a lot of roots. What I'll do is dig as best I can around a tree or bush, get the pressure washer out and pressure wash all the roots so all the dirt and everything's gone and you can see clearly where they are, and then just reach down with these things and snip all the roots, and it makes it so much easier to pull a bush out of the ground. So keep that in mind if you get one of these. It's a pretty good use for it, but $99, hard to beat on a really nice tool. Now this I also really like. It's the cordless impact wrench for Makitas, but hang tight for a second. It's by Workbless. Now, if you have seen any of the CC cordless tools that we've had, lots of different things they have, all of their stuff works with Makita, the CC stuff. So if this works with Makita and CC works with Makita, I'm assuming, although I do not know, I am assuming the CC batteries and charger will work on this. So you don't necessarily have to be in Makita's lineup to take advantage. This does not come with the battery, but if you've bought any of these CC deals in the past, you may be interested. Normal price of $39.99, but look at this, 50% promo code right there. Going through the 8th, you're only going to pay $19.99. Brushless. Says 630 foot-pounds. I don't know if I believe that, but hey, if it can take lug nuts off for $19.99, beats the hell out of doing it manually. And it does work for multiple quantities. I saw in my affiliate account that a couple of people bought more than one already. Hopefully it lasts for a while, but for $20, come on. Come on! Back to Acme Tools, you have the DeWALT half-inch impact wrench and the power stack battery. So this is the power stack that I would use with that pruner, that at least my favorite use with it. This is the one battery kit. It's normally $244.91, but we have this promo code, BUILD100, that's going to take an additional $25 off. So a little over $200 there. You can see Home Depot, it's out of stock, but $329. Tulip is also $329. So about a $100 discount right now at Acme Tools. Again, it's the full kit. I can't tell what battery that is. I can't read the picture. Looks like the DCB 112, which would be a 2 amp output. This is a 1.7 amp hour power stack, so about an hour to get a full charge. Half-inch anvil, brushless tool. The DCB 111 is the half-inch. DCB 113, I believe, is the 3/8 drive. Otherwise, they're the same impact wrench, but really good deal on that one. Did find this on the Acme Tools clearance and discounts page, so if you want to check that out, click that link. You can sort by brand or type of tool and see the latest deals over at Acme Tools. Hey guys, I want to share with you a clip of my latest song, Long Dark Shadow. Maybe some of you can relate.
They're all just staring at the ghost they clearly see. The jagged coal-stained shape walking next to me. They don't see the man I am. They see my yesterday, like a death that's never paid, no matter what I pray.
Next one up is the 80-piece cable ties, reusable, multicolor wire ties, cord ties, reusable. Now, here's the thing about these. I love these things. It's like mini Velcro stuff. In a lot of ways, it can replace a zip tie. Of course, these are better because they are reusable. But I love this, like under the dash, trying to figure out routing wires and everything. And it's got this little end you can loop around, and then you can wrap up the wires. And it's super convenient to use these guys. Of course, if you're routing some wires like behind a desk, running like TV, surround sound type wires, you got a whole rat's nest back there. You can make it look nice and spiffy. So it starts out at $9.99, but another 50% discount. So it's only going to be $4.99. I didn't check if this works for multiple quantities or not, but at $4.99, you might want them. 80's a lot, though. I mean, that might be plenty for you. Obviously, you can see you get different sizes. But if you've never tried these, this is another one it's super cheap. Give it a shot. I think you're going to like them. I'm a big fan of them. Back to Acme, we got a DeWALT 20-volt XR blower kit with 5 amp hour battery. That's going to be one 5 amp hour battery. Anytime you see that P in the model number, that's always a 5 amp hour battery, followed by how many of them you get right there. So this is normally $239. It's down to $179, and you can see Home Depot has it for $239. ToolNut also has it for $239, so a nice little discount over there. Again, you're getting the big old 5 amp hour battery, and now this is something that really sucks down batteries. You want 5 amp hour battery for this. You wouldn't want to use that 1.7 power stack. It would last like 3 minutes before it's dead. You're going to get about 25, 30 minutes of runtime, continuous runtime with this 5 amp hour battery. So pretty good. This was on the price drops page, so this is a little bit different. This one compares the prices yesterday with the prices today and just shows what dropped the biggest day over day, trying to find the best deals as soon as they come out. So this just dropped today from yesterday to today down to $179. So a really good one on that. Wanted to bring back this old post, just put it in front of you in case you want to check it out. DIYing a little pliers rack. I actually have to do this again with a new toolbox, but just using a little wire shelf. This is the exact one I got at Home Depot, but it's generic, just wire shelf, and just cutting off the front row right at this horizontal, and it makes a perfect pliers rack, in the same vein as these guys here. But look at this one, $16 for this. You could buy like a whole 8-foot wire shelf for that price. So anyway, I liked that. Thought we'd include that real quick. 2-piece magnetic bit organizer, slidable drill bit rack, 80 holes. That's a lot of holes. Just need one. Thank you. Aluminum magnetic rail by Cenforge. So really like this as a 2-pack. Now it's $17.99. We have a 30% promo code. It's going to take about $8 off. It's about $6 off. And here's the promo code here. Not sure when it expires. Good right now. It does work on multiple quantities if you want more than one. But traditionally, when we see these, this is like a socket rail, right? You got your 3/8, your 1/2 inch, whatever it is, all lined up here. But being magnetic and being able to hold all our bits, and it comes with the little bit rails to go with it, I just thought it was really cool. And we don't usually see this style. So either use it magnetically, on something, or you got holes on the end, you could screw it to, the wall or whatever the hell you have. I just thought it was really cool, especially if you just got spare bits just kind of flopping around. They don't have a case anymore or whatever. Craftsman, 7 1/4 inch, 140 tooth, fine finish, carbon circular saw blade for plywood, OSB, and plastic. So real fine tooth, 140 of them. Normally $11 down to $6.99. Now that is a price match with Acme, but their shipping charge is $6.49. Now if you're going to buy one of those other items, chuck it in. If you get up to $200, you'll get free shipping. But even when you're buying something else, you're diluting that shipping cost across 2 items. And I don't even think they would add any more to it. I think it would still just be $6.49 if you're buying multiple items. But Lowe's $10.98. Of course, you got to add shipping to that, and then Ace Hardware $10.99, and you got to add shipping to that as well. So $6.99 on your 7¼ inch. It's got to be the most popular circular saw size, right? 24-piece modular wrench organizer, magnetic wrench organizer for your toolbox. You have metric and SAE labels. Now, this is that same Cenforge brand. So they kind of link together and then have a magnet on the bottom of each one. So it's really modular as far as whatever sets you have, you can kind of make custom racks for your wrenches. Now, I'm not a huge fan of this baby blue color, but it was the cheapest option. It's $8.99 and then 30% off. So for getting 24 of those, super cheap. Again, just click right there to save that promo code. Now, if you go to the Amazon page, click this little buy on Amazon link right there. There were other colors. There was like just black if you wanted, but it was a few dollars more. If you want the cheapest option, you got to go with this like baby blue thing. But other colors were available. Either way, really good idea. Nice way to keep the wrenches organized. You got the Holikme 6-pack drill brush power scrubber cleaning brushes. Love, love, love the drill brushes. And this is something, if you use them enough, you're going to have to replace them at some point. They do get kind of beat up, nasty, and the bristles all kind of wonky and out of shape. So maybe you picked one of these up before and it's time to replenish. But slap that on the end of a drill. This one even comes with the extension. And you can clean all sorts of stuff with these. It is so much better than doing it by hand. They are currently on sale for $7.99, normally $11.99, so pretty good price. No promo code or anything, but for a 6-pack, it's a good deal. Got some night vision goggles by Wish Betty. 4K night vision binoculars, 3.5-inch screen, 32GB SD card included. They sent me one of these. Was it last year? I think it was last year. We got the video down here if you want to check it out, creeping around in the dark. But these are $79.99 and then 40% off. Going to be real close to $50 on that. Goes through the 6. Get your promo code right there. Does work for multiple quantities. You want to buy one for a friend. You can have like a whole little tactical team, right? You have like a group of like 10 guys and you all got the night vision goggles. Oh, you should dress all in black. Walk around with these goggles on your face. People won't be suspicious of that at all. But these things do work really good. It's cool because you can set the level of infrared so it's not too bright or too dark. But you'll be walking around, especially if you live out in, middle of nowhere. And, boy, you never know what's creeping out there. You know what I've been catching on my security camera a lot lately is coyotes. Lots and lots of coyotes. I'm trying to think, what's the non-lethal way to get coyotes off of your property? I don't want them getting a little scooty. Oh, man, I would have to. Then we would turn to lethal options. That would be a problem. Not a deal, but something I want to give you guys a heads up to. I'll just link to this down below. I wrote this little article for it. But Weber recalled their grill brushes because they can get stuck in food and you can eat them. And apparently there's like complaints of them piercing someone's stomach lining and all sorts of stuff. So there's 3.2 million brushes that were recalled, and on the page list a couple of alternatives that are better than the wire brushes there. Now, here's 2 wire brushes. Not for cleaning your grill. These are not food safe wire brushes. But you do get the 10-pack of 10.5 inches. So that's good size. 79 bundles of bristles by Chan Harm. Now make sure you count those every time you use it so you know you didn't lose one. You count them out, it's at 78. You're like, oh shit, where'd that one go? Normally $9.07, have a 50% promo code. Going to be about $4.50. Of course, free shipping for the Prime members. You're getting 2 of them. You're paying like $2 a piece. So nice little wire brushes. Use them till you junk them and throw them away and get some new ones. I like the cheap stuff. It's not that serious. Don't got to worry about it. Laser measurement tool, 328 feet. Dual angle display, inches, feet. Laser distance meter by Deglasers. I They have a couple of different options as far as how far they go. Now, the 328 to me is a little bit ridiculous because you don't even know what you're aiming at. 328 feet away, you can't see the beam unless, you know, it's the bear's ass. You'll never be able to find something that big that you'd actually be able to hit it from 328 feet. But you don't have to use the whole 328 feet because it also works at 5 feet, works at 20 feet. So, it gives you that extra length that you can use if you want, but you don't have to. $29.99, 50% off. It's only going to be $14.99. This is another one that's kind of a staple. They're not expensive, but they're super useful. So if you don't have one, like, what are you doing? Just pick it up. It's 15 bucks. It's like a couple gallons of gas. One of my favorite items, the 44-piece nut and bolt thread checker, standard and metric, nut and bolts. This is how I spend my Saturday night, fellas. Let's open up the case, pull up the stool, sit in front of my new Craftsman organizers, get a bucket of bolts and nuts, and just start checking. Like, alright, metric goes over here, SAE goes over here, got the small ones on top, we're working our way to the bigger ones on bottom. Oh, that's a coarse thread, that's a fine thread. Party animal, I'm telling you. You couldn't hang with me, You'd be zonked out in the corner. Oh man, this guy's too wild doing all this bolt and nut organizing. $39.99, 50% promo code. It's going to be $19.99. Now, you guys have seen they have the board style as well. This individual piece size style I like, but you definitely could lose these, which is the only drawback. But they're really good for something that's fixed, where you can't bring that board to it. But you got an outie on one side and an innie on the other. So the outie is the male and the innie is the female. And that's been the standard for millennia until like a year ago when we decided that didn't matter anymore. 330-piece T-shank jigsaw blades for wood, for plastic, for metal by BGTEC. All the jigsaw blades, 30-pack, normally $16.99, got a 30% promo code. So we're going to take like $5.50 or so off of that, a little over $11. Supposed to go through the end of the month here. Got the promo code. Does work on multiple quantities if you need more than one. Get your jigsaws while they're hot. Flashlight, rechargeable, 112. That'd be 1,200. Lumens, small flashlight, magnetic, right angle light. This is by Wurkkos. A couple of things I really like. One, I like the right angle. It's not great for every situation, but I'm sure you own a flashlight right now, and 90% of them are traditional, straight ahead. So if you don't already have a right angle one, there's a little curveball. This could be your first right angle. It also has the magnetic tail cap, which you guys know I love that. Really makes it versatile, sticking it all sorts of places, get to angle that light, be hands-free and all of that. But it also comes with a strap, so you can put it on your head. It can be a headlamp. You'll look like a dweeb, but you'll be a dweeb that can see in the dark. So, you go night vision goggles or you go flashlight. Probably don't want to go both. Defeats the purpose of the night vision goggles. Although you're more stealthy with the night vision goggles. People are going to see your ass coming with a bright-ass light on your head. $39.99, 50% off. It's going to be down to $19.99. So a really good deal. We don't see promo codes for this brand, but it has been around for a while. So I kind of like that at under $20. So there it is, guys. The latest amazing tool deals. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for next subscriber. And I'll see you next time.